one red. Okay.
Okay.
And then here in the scatter, if I am removing the scattering value, so each stroke comes at one position only. Can you see this?
Yes.
So if you want to get a space between each and every stroke, so I need a space between the each and every stroke. For
Okay.
that I have to go with dual brush. Dual brush. You have to activate this.
Okay.
After activating, adjust the size value and increase the spacing. But still you can't see anything at the down in the preview position, right?
Right.
So I need to get the spacing in this line. So you have to change your mode, blend mode for the brush tool. Okay. So here color burn is there. I'm using multiply. See now the multiply is dissolving 50% of the stroke, right?
Right.
Now here I need to get a darker or a harder brush. After selecting multiply, select the in the dual brush, exactly rounded hard brush. Clear?
Clear.
Now adjust the spacing again. See this? Are you getting the spacing between the stroke?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have to change here with multiply and hard brush. Just remember. Okay.
Okay.
Now decrease the size. See what is going on?
There's so many circles.
Yeah.
I mean,
All
circles.
the bubbles are converted to circle.
Yeah.
And now if you paint like this, you can see just like a bubbles. The space you can see between the stroke to stroke, like a rounded, colorful bubbles we can see, right?
Right.
See this? So to create this, you have to activate the dual brush with 1, 2, 3 brush size, then the size and the spacing value you have to adjust. So you can create something like a necklace or something. Okay.
Okay.
Can you read Telugu letters?
No.
So you want to learn Telugu also?
Maybe later.
Later, not now.
Later, not now. Later in life.
So you know Hindi?
Nope. I only know how to read English.
Okay. And any French and Latin?
Yeah, I know how to speak French and understand French.
Okay. So this is the Telugu letters. Okay. So these are the things what we can do with basically brush tools. Okay.
Okay.
And so I'm going to show you one more thing. In the brush, if you want to change or if you want to use any particular image in a color, if you want to display or if you want to add in this color one of the image, so that also we can do. Okay.
Okay.
So how to do that, I'll show you. First of all, open whatever the image you want to add into the color. Just double click here on the work area. So choose any one of the image. So I'm going to choose this heroes actors image. Okay.
Okay.
For example, I don't want the entire background, only I need this hero. So first of all, I have to do the selection. So I'm just going with a rough selection with the lasso tool only. I don't want to convert the entire image into brush. See, up to here, I want to convert as a brush. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the position I selected and go with the selected mask. See now the area which is there in the selection, you can see properly, right?
Right.
Now go with smart radius and increase the radius value. So then what it does, some other areas, whatever it is not at there in the character or a subject, that it will remove.
Mhm.
If you want to remove still, you can go with the minus brush and show other position areas here. But the hero and the background, whatever the colors are there, if both are matching, then it will also remove the same shades from the hero or a body color. Okay.
Okay.
See this. So up to now, I just want to finalize this as a selection. So click on OK. Now the selection was adjusted and I want only the person, not the background. So delete the remaining image. So whatever I have is this hero's image. Clear?
Clear.
So I deleted the down image after duplicating. Control J is the shortcut to duplicate the selected position.
Okay.
So now this character or this person, I want to change and I want to use as a brush tool. I want to use this person as a brush tool. Have you understood?
Okay.
See, from the edit menu, create define brush preset.
Okay.
So if you click on it, it shows that person's symbol as a brush tool here.
Okay.
Can you see this preview?
Yes. Yes.
It is the name of the brush. It is showing as 698 and the brush position. You can see the same pose and
Okay.
click on OK. Now I have this person's, I have this heroes or actors brush. Can you see this?
Yes.
So whatever color you use at this place, that color automatically paints like this. Understood?
Okay. Understood.
So any image you can convert easily into brushstroke.
Okay.
Any image. So now add a dynamical color dynamics. Okay. Now see this.
Okay.
The same person. The strokes are repeating with a different colors. If you
Okay.
go with the scattering, so you can see multiple people. See this? So have you understood this topic?
Yeah.
So is this a useful tool? If you
Uh-huh.
want to fill the background with the same character like a Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck or any other chipmunks and all. So you can cut the image and you can convert that into a brush tool and you can paint the background. Right?
Right.
So again, see, this is the position where it is stored as a brush tool. See, this is the brush, whatever I created now.
Okay.
Right? See, every
Right.
brush we have with different colors now because of the color dynamics. So this is one technique. So another technique is the same brush I'm going to use in the paint brush tools only. Here we have a texture option. Can you see this texture?
Yes.
So whatever texture you want, that particular texture map you have to select from here, like greenery, leaves and all, or here your particular image also you can store into the textures folder. So how to do that, I'll show you. Again, import one more image. Another image will do. So here we have the leopard or cheetah. So this one I want to convert as a texture. Okay.
Okay.
Means I want to store this in the Photoshop textures folder.
Mhm.
So this is there in the selection. Go to edit. Here we have the option called what it is?
Define pattern.
Yes, define pattern. So click on it and click on the OK button. Now it is added in the patterns. Can you see this patterns palette?
Yes.
Water patterns we have, grass patterns we have, tree patterns, and whatever I added right now, that is also there here, right?
Okay.
Now, by using that pattern, you can paint. See, now I'm just going to change my brush shape. It is showing still the actor's footage. So I'm going to select the default soft brush. So now I selected is soft brush, right?
Right.
See, if I'm painting here, you can see only normal, a single color of the pink magenta, right?
Right.
From that magenta shade, I want to see this leopard or a cheetah. Okay.
Okay.
So how it is possible, I'll show you. Means you can't see all the colors of cheetah, but you can see pink color with that cheetah image.
Mm-hmm.
See, go to the brush settings again. Here we have the option called texture. Okay.
Okay.
Texture. So in the texture, select that cheetah pattern, whatever we added.
Okay.
Clear, Chetan?
Clear.
Is there any doubts?
No.
Okay. So now I added cheetah here. Whatever I added into the pattern from edit menu, define pattern. Okay.
Okay.
I opened one of the image and I selected that as a define pattern from the edit menu. Then that I am using with the help of brush tool. In the brush tool options, texture, activate the texture and select cheetah from here.
Okay.
Clear now?
Clear.
So once it is done, here you can adjust the scale value, brightness value. So this is the brightness value and contrast. Okay, each and everything from here. And one more thing, see here down actually it is showing complete white shade, the brighten shade. But if you want to see the cheetah, you have to change the blend mode at this position.
Okay.
Then you can see only cheetah here. Otherwise, you can't see the cheetah. See this? Now cheetah I can able to see. Can you see this?
Yes.
Preview?
Yes.
So because of multiply, we can see that quality of cheetah image from the stroke.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can paint. So come to the file and just click on it. Can you see that cheetah?
Yes.
It is scaled and it is giving us so many times repeatedly, right?
Right.
So increase the scale value. So 100% I am adding. See now you can see only one time cheetah. Can you see this?
Yes.
How it is looking?
Cheetah.
Yeah, cheetah only. How the effect is looking?
Effect.
Yeah. So it is there from one of the holy paint, holy color. Will you play holy?
No.
Holy festival?
No.
Okay. So in that Holi, you can add multiple colors and you can see from the color the character. See, whatever color you add, from that color you can see that cheetah texture. See
Mm.
how it is looking?
Okay.
Is it looking nice or not?
Nice.
So you can create a different kind of poster designing or some kind of greetings or any web cover page design. Okay. So by using the
Okay.
only color theory, color particle, color concept.
Okay.
See now, I added a blue, magenta, yellow, red shade. So I'm going with green also now, little bit. So it looks like something. Okay. So
Okay.
different kind of artwork. Okay, without using the direct image into the layer, I done this process.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the use of define pattern option, and you can also use that define pattern whatever the image you loaded through the help of texture.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so these are the options we have completely in paint option.
Okay.
So now we are going with another topic. So today I completed completely paint topic. Okay, brush tool.
Okay.
So next is pencil tool. Pencil tool we won't use because it will give the just like a brush tool only, but it gives only hard lines. There are no soft brushes in this.
Okay.
If you paint with the help of pencil tool, it will show us hard stroke only, not the softened stroke.
Okay.
See, there is no softness because brush only gives us the softness. The pencil gives us the hardness, hardened stroke only
Okay.
because it is a pencil. So next is color replacement tool. Color replacement tool. For example, if you want to change any one of the image color, see here I have this actor's photo. So if I want to change the suit shade, okay.
Okay.
So what color you want to change, you have to select first of all color replacement tool. Color replacement tool. Then
Okay.
choose the color what you want to add there. So I'm going to add dark blue shade. Okay. Or else do one thing. It is already there in the blue related shade. So place the maroon shade. Okay.
Okay.
So now I added related to maroon shade. So basically what, whenever we are going to use this color replacement tool, it changes only the color, not the midtones, not the highlights, not the shadows or shades. Okay.
Okay.
If the suit or what we call whatever, we can change the only color. It replaces the color only. See this? And it won't disturb the shades of the suit. Means it won't disturb the shades or highlights or midtones, means whatever the image we use, it won't change all these things. It will change only the color quality, color only
Okay.
from the
Okay.
image.
Mhm.
And here, whenever I'm painting, the plus symbol you can see between the brush, right? Plus symbol.
Yes.
The plus symbol should move where we need to change the color, not at the outside. See what happens if it moves outside, the color of the background also changing little bit.
Okay.
Can you see this background? It is changed little bit.
Yes. Yes.
So if you don't want to affect or if you don't want to disturb the background, you can also use here limitations. See, there is a limit option in the status line.
Okay.
And one more thing is the person's color, I mean suit color and the background pixels color also, both are matching little bit because the gray shade, bluish gray shade, right?
Right.
So you have to reduce the tolerance value little bit. Then it will avoid selecting the background pixels. And here the limit options also we have discontiguous, contiguous and find edge. Discontiguous and contiguous, basically discontiguous means how it will work, I'll show you. It reads the exactly stroke by stroke and it will change the color, but it is also continuing on the background, right?
Okay.
So
Right.
tolerance value we have to increase and check out again. Still it is disturbing the background. So tolerance value will keep the 25 and remove the discontiguous and go with the contiguous. Contiguous smoothly it will adds the shade, but it will also, it is also disturbing little bit of the background pixels. It is also disturbing. So then do one thing, just go with the find edges. So this find edge option, what it does, it will find exactly the what color we want to replace.
Okay.
It will find the color, what exactly and where exactly we are selecting at the starting. It will find out that color. If it is matching that color, wherever we are moving my brush, at that place only it will change the color. It won't do on entire positions. So now
Okay.
you have to increase the tolerance value to work on all the positions. But still it is not giving properly. So go with contiguous only. But the problem with contiguous is, as I said, you have to reduce the tolerance and then work on the only suit position. This particular suit position. But sometimes here it won't work properly when the background color also matching. See, at some
Okay.
pixels, it is changing to little bit of maroon shade. Then if you can't able to do proper color replacement with the help of this tool, then you have to add a mask for the background. Then
Okay.
you can avoid replacing the color on the background. That is the manual process you have to do
Okay.
if the tool is not working properly. See, now it is okay because the tolerance value I reduced. So it is working on the selected position pixels only. Okay.
Okay.
It is not disturbing the sides and background position area. See, this is exactly changing on the suit position, color
Okay.
value.
Okay.
And one more thing, it is not at all disturbing the shades and midtones and highlighted values.
Okay.
So this is the color replacement tool. Clear?
Clear.
And one more thing here. Here we have actually three options. First one is whenever you are dragging continuously, it replaces the color. Okay.
Okay.
This is the first one. Means it samples every pixel wherever you move your brush. Okay.
Okay.
This is one time sample only. One time sample means, for example, if you are clicking at this place, it reads this pixel, and if it is matching with any other position, then only it replaces the color. If the
Okay.
position is not matching, here it is not replacing the color. See this? Up to here only it is changing the color, down position. So one time sampling means if the color is not matching wherever you are selected, background image, if it is not matching, that position it won't change the color. Okay. Wherever it matches, that area only it will replace the color.
Okay.
So every time you have to click and show that color position where you want to change your color. Means what I'm saying, you have to click mouse left button again and again to change the entire dress position. With the help of this simple or simply sampling once. This is the option. Sampling once means, for example, background is having one side darker value, one side lighter value, right?
Okay.
If you click once a darker value, if you drag your brush down, it won't change the lighter position color. It changes only the darker position. When it matches again with the darker areas, only at the darker places, it will change the color. See, at the darker area only it is changing, not at the down lighter position.
Okay.
So depends on the color samples, it will work.
Okay.
It won't match the color sample, then it won't work.
Okay.
Clear up to now?
Clear.
So next is mixer brush tool. Already we discussed. So with the help of mixer brush tool, we can do the digital painting. For example, if you want to mix this character completely, see how it is mixing the shade. It is completely mixed the shades with background.
Okay.
Means for digital painting, sculpting purpose, you can use this tool. You can mix the shades like this.
Okay.
For example, I'm going with a new file. In the new file, I'm creating new layer. Okay.
Okay.
So here I'm selecting red 255. So with the normal brush tool, select the brush tool and add a paint here. Sorry, it is still working with the cheetah image. So remove the texture. Okay.
Here it's your screen is showing the meat.
Screen is showing.
The meat.
I didn't get you. Darken.
No, I mean like your screen is sharing, right?
Yes, I'm sharing screen.
Yes, it's showing the WhatsApp and the Zoom meet. Not like the Photoshop.
It is not showing Photoshop.
Yeah.
Is it showing now?
No.
Now? Now how it is?
No, it's not working.
Just check out with internet connection once. Your internet connection. Because here it is everything is good. It is sharing in my system.
But for my system, it's showing that you're showing the meat.
Meet, Google Meet.
No, not the Google Meet, the Zoom Meet.
Okay. Front screen. This one.
Yes.
Is it showing now? Photoshop?
No.
I think it is some technical issue. But here format is showing normal. Okay, I'll try to click. See, can you see now?
No, I can see now.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I selected a new file. In the new layer, I'm adding red color at this place. Okay.
Okay.
And again, I'm adding green value. Here in the red, I added 0. So I added the green and I painted at this place. And again, am I adding blue shade? 255 with the blue. Click on OK. Then paint at this place. Okay.
Okay.
So I have done RGB, red, green, blue with the brush tool. Now I'm going with the mixer brush tool. Okay, clear?
Okay, clear.
So I just want to mix the 3 of the shades at the between. So whenever you want to mix only whatever colors we have on the new file, then you have to clear this area.
Okay.
Or else what happens, the foreground color, whatever is there in the selection, that actually picks by the brush, mixer brush tool, and it will replace the red and green also with the blue. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to clean your brush by clicking on the clean brush. In the
Okay.
arrow, you can see clean brush option. So clean. After cleaning, every time if you click on the red, automatically it replaces with red, so that it doesn't have to update.
Okay.
Wherever I click, whatever the color it selects at that place, then automatically it will update again. Means it will pick the color from the pixels selected position.
Okay.
So you have to switch off this update the paint. Here is the load the brush after each stroke.
Okay.
So this option you have to remove. So now whatever colors I have here, I am only smudging these 2 shades.
Okay.
If I mix exactly red and green, I will get what color? Yellow color.
Okay.
Red plus green equals to yellow.
Yellow.
And if I mix green plus blue, we will get which color? Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Cyan, sky blue. See this.
Yeah.
Can you see sky blue here now? See, here it is yellow. Here it is sky blue.
Are you showing the wheel?
Sorry?
The color wheel?
Yeah, color wheel.
No, it's showing the Photoshop.
Means is it showing the file or not?
It's not showing the Chrome, the Google Chrome. It's only showing the Photoshop.
Photoshop is having with the untitled file, right?
Yeah.
Is it showing colors here?
No.
Is it showing this color or not? Whatever I'm moving with the cursor, mouse tool. Mouse
no.
cursor I'm moving now. File. Is it showing or not in Photoshop?
No, it's not. It's not.
What it is showing then?
Oh, you mean the cursor moving?
Yes. Is it moving cursor or
Now
not?
it's moving. It's moving now. I can see the colors.
Can you see the colors now?
Yes.
Previously, what happened?
Previously, like the untitled white thing, it was done. It was like behind that thing. It was
So
like
can you
no
see the
color.
colors now?
Yes, I can see the colors.
So now see this. This is yellow. This is sky blue, and this is magenta.
Okay.
See, if you mix the red with the blue more, see it is what color it is created here?
Magenta.
Yeah, here it is looking what?
Yellow.
Yes, here it is looking what? Which color?
Cyan.
Yes,
Sky
sky
blue.
blue, cyan. Right? So
Right.
this is the way we can mix the shades with the help of mixer brush tool.
Okay.
So today we are completely all brush related tools.
Okay.
So tomorrow we will continue with clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool is also like a healing brush tool only, what we are discussed previously here with the healing brush tool.
Okay.
Okay, now my system is hanging. Yes, it is closed. I think I'm having problem with the CPU. Okay, so I'll check
Okay.
out. So tomorrow we'll continue from there. Okay,
Okay. Bye.
bye.